Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Today we are going review about Streaming Masterclass. Streaming Masterclass is a program that will teach you the insider secrets of turning your basic videos into fully blown professional broadcasts in no time at all. You will learn that what equipment you need, seemingly secret but incredibly powerful tool most marketers have bought and then just left in the box. What exactly should each stream contain and how you can easily set this up for yourself. Also, if you purchase the product under my link, you will get access to YouTube in-stream ads 101, how to make $200 a day with videos, social media hero, creating the perfect YouTube marketing video, how to get 10,000 real YouTube views in a week, and more bonuses worth over $4,000. If you purchase the product under my link and send me the proof in my Instagram account or in my email and in the description, then you will get all the bonuses from my side. By using this method you can become a professional YouTuber in no time. Here it says that, and, throughout the course, I will make this as jargon-free and simple as possible. Whether you're a newcomer to streaming or already have some experience with it, you're going to find Steve Miller's Streaming Masterclass compelling viewing. Steve takes you through the equipment you need for streaming with options for every pocket. He then delves into the basics and advanced features of tools that professional streamers use before introducing other components that help automate elements of your stream. As with his webcam advantage tutorials, Steve's delivery is exceptional, and his videos have been produced to a professional standard. He has a clear, smooth voice and relaxed style, all of which help you fully grasp each aspect of his teaching. If, like me, you are seeking more professional broadcast results with your streaming, I'd thoroughly recommend you pick up Streaming Masterclass by Steve Miller today. Neil Mackenzie. And another review by Paul Carr. Act now and you will also pick up these bonuses. So also they providing bonuses too. The Idiot's Guide to a Better Streaming Camera. At some point, you will want to upgrade your camera. This comprehensive guide gives you the ins and outs of which cameras you should be looking at, why you shouldn't go for the most expensive options, how to select a camera that doesn't break the bank, how to choose the right lens for your streaming setup. And bonus number 2, running a successful stream. This is a simple rundown of how to run a successful stream. What do you have to look out for? What is your audience expecting? Find out here and make sure every stream you run is as successful as possible. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Complete course, full access, $67 one-time charge. Don't worry. Your purchase today is covered by our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Also, we get 30 days money-back guarantee. So your money will return if you are not satisfied with the product. If you are in any way unsatisfied with the course, then I will provide a full refund of the purchase price. That's my promise to you. Don't delay. You must act right now if you want to get Streaming Masterclass at this crazy low price. The price rises to $197 in 3 days. So don't delay. Buy as fast as you can. If you click here, you will taken to the main sales page where you can buy the product and bonus from the vendor and $4,000 worth bonus from my side. You'll get access to this right away with your very own private members area, which is available for you 24/7. Don't hesitate, your path to video glory awaits. Steve Miller's signature. That it. So if you purchase the product under my link, you will get access to the bonuses. Click the link in the description and purchase the product under my link and send me the proof that you purchased the product. Then I will send the bonuses to you. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like the video, share the video to your friends, and subscribe my channel to get more updated information in the future. Have a great day.